This court is now in session. We are gathered today to examine the case of Rekai Linder. Who stands before this court not for a trivial matter, but for a serious breach of responsibility in the digital public space. The charge at hand is the unauthorized disclosure of private information, specifically the leaking of an individual's personal phone number, LaMelo Ball, NBA star, during a live broadcast. In an age where influence carries weight and reach extends far beyond immediate circles, actions taken in a moment of carelessness can have lasting consequences. Privacy is not a privilege reserved for a few. It is a right afforded to all. The act of exposing such personal information, whether intended as a joke or not, demonstrates a disregard for that fundamental principle. This court recognizes that platforms like Twitch enforce rules not to restrict expression, but to protect individuals from harm, harassment, and exploitation. A ban in this case is not arbitrary. It is a response to conduct that violates those protections. You have a list of offenses including stealing flowers, vandalism, destruction of property, and the list goes on. I don't know how you've made it this far. Rekai Linder, you are reminded that with visibility comes responsibility. Your actions have consequences, not only for yourself, but for others affected by them. This proceeding is not solely about punishment, but about accountability and understanding the seriousness of one's conduct. Let this serve as a reminder. Respect for others, both on and off the screen, is not optional, it is essential. Lawyer, will you please come to the stand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Today I'm here representing Mr. Linder in his case. So I hear that you listed a couple things that he did, which are correct. But we don't talk about the things that he do good on the platform. He stole flowers, but we don't talk about when he gave those two little girls iPads. He bought them 2 iPads. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about how he really brought joy to Streamer University. Everyone was nervous. He was the only person that had that energy in him. He's called Baby Glitch for a reason. We know that. You know, it's a lot of things he did. Mafia-thon, he made a lit. Baby Glitch, that word right there stands out. It stands out a lot. You know what I'm saying? We don't talk, look. Let me slow it down. I want y'all to hear me. Nobody talked about when Talil leaked Drake's number. He didn't serve no consequences. When Kai Cenat leaked Rakai's number, no consequences. When Jay Cinco leaked Marty Too Hotty's number, no consequences. Once it's Mr. Linder here, everything's a problem. Why do they keep picking on him? I don't understand. Maybe you could tell me here, maybe one of you guys can tell me here. Why do they keep picking on him? I don't understand. Nobody faces the consequences but him. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Do you rest your case?
Yes.
You may be seated, sir. Thank you. Jury. Here, Judge. Thank you, sir. This court has carefully considered the context, the evidence presented, and the intent behind the actions in question. While the matter itself reflects the importance of privacy and the responsibilities that come with public influence, it is equally important that judgment be based on clear proof and fairness. In this case, the court finds the evidence insufficient to establish guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Therefore, Rekai Linder is hereby found not guilty of the Let this outcome not diminish the serious protecting personal information by writing reinforce the accountability must always be grounded in truth and certainty.
man. Do it,
Yo,
man.
shit! Let's go!
Do it, man.
Yo! Spin on down in the chat! Are you on this ingest? Are you on this ingest right now? You're already on this ingest right now.
Fuck, I told you.
Hold on. Wait, are you on this ingest? Let me see. Hold on.
Don't ever play with a Tony Marty, man.
Hold on.
Tyler did what?
Hold on, let me see.
You talking about?
Yo, 25X, I miss y'all. We back on Twitch. Spin the dubs. Everybody in the chat, you in the chat, say yo. Turn me the up, chat. I miss Nice, I miss AJ, I miss all y'all, man. We back in here. Yo, everybody say I'm W Marty Lawyer. I ain't like, no, I ain't like game. You was up there game, you was like you know what the fuck to say.
Tony Marty, man.
Spin the dubs. We back to the crib
I
game.
got my number leaked, gang.
Huh?
My
We
number
beat
got
that
leaked,
shit, nigga. Yo, chat, how everybody been? Yo, boss, you can start driving.
Out there, nigga.
You go to the crib, go to the crib. Yo, you can start driving.
Get us home. Take us home, man.
Oh my God, we
Look, I'ma
back
bring you
on
home.
fucking Twitch, gang. Holy gang.
We got weed, the bottles.
We in the bitches the bottle, yeah. Oh my God, yo, chat, I ain't lying, chat. Yo, chat, I feel like a dead just all this time I'm not streaming. I just feel like a loser, gang. You could ask Marty, ask everybody, gang. I just feel like a bum. Ain't shit to do when you not live, bro.
Yeah, you right. That is a fact. That is a fact.
Community, man.
That nigga was
I miss
lonely
y'all
as shit.
so much, bro. How y'all been? Ain't spring break finna come up? What?
Well, you said spring break finna come up?
Spring break finna come up? What? We don't got no school, none of that.
You've been bad for too long. Spring break, I think spring break over, Mart.
No, it's not. Wait, it's over? Wait, is spring break not over? Spring break is not over. It's over?